So in this video, I want to show you how to make a quick and easy and cheap metal rack for your precious keepsakes, all for under 100 TT or about 15 US. Stay tuned. My name is Barran. This is just Barran. This is going to be just a DIY project, and on this channel, I do just about anything you can do yourself. For this project, you would need a couple of items. A decorative curtain rod. I saw this 4 feet adjustable one at the hardware store for $80 TT and thought it would make a nice upgrade to my present holder. It was due for a metal upgrade as the weight started to take its toll. There were a lot of options available and even at lower prices, so I recommend finding one that suits your style. I found this to have more space than those other fancy ones online, and it's a lot nicer than merely using a plain metal rod and some hooks. A level. When it comes to levels, size does matter and usually bigger is better. And sorry, that joke may have been pretty flat. A measuring tape. I have concrete walls, so I'm using a hammer drill, 1/4 inch concrete drill bits and some green wall plugs. If you have wood, just some self-threading gypsum screws should work, but drilling a small pilot hole would be better to prevent the wood from splitting. You're gonna need a hammer, a pencil, a screwdriver. Lastly, some personal stuff to add around the holder. I recommend some old bibs or maybe a small whiteboard for recording your personal best times. I also have this headband I got from Maritime Run for Fun last year that adds a nice touch, so I hope some of you Trini runners still have yours. Now, why a metal rack, you may ask? Why collect medals? I am a amateur running enthusiast myself, and I love collecting medals. They all point to different memories and different stories that I've collected over the course of the last couple of years. They also represent personal records I have accomplished. I really love half marathons, and I recently went and did C2C. I came in under 3 hours, which was one of my goals because I've been in really bad shape this year after some travel. Some of these medals also point to just really good time spending with my running family, and it's always good to go out there and see them. They could really turn a bad day into something great. So really shout out to my running family. You know who you are. With that being said, keep collecting, keep running, and let's get into this video. Taking down this PVC hanger, you can see I've collected some beautiful medals over the past 2 years. And speaking of beautiful medals, you can check out Run Trinbago. They boast the first ever connecting puzzle medal in Trinidad and Tobago. With their 1 mile and 5K gone, you don't want to miss out on their 10K. And they didn't sponsor this video, but I did a drone video for their last 5K and found the event and medal design to be amazing. So I'll put a link to them in the description below. Just a reminder, safety first, and we measure twice and drill once. Using the measuring tape, I measured 6 feet from the ground to where I wanted the bar to go. Using the pencil, I marked this height. But wait, this level is a bit small. There we go.
Classic overcompensation.
Now with the level, I can draw a straight line parallel to the floor. Now if you don't have a long level, you can use the multi-point method, assuming your floor is flat. And with the tape, again, measure some more points along the wall from the ground and then use a ruler to connect the points. That should give you a straight line. Then, I marked my first drill point 20 inches from the other wall. I wanted a 3 feet span for my medals, so from that point, I measured 3 feet along the line and marked my second point. Remember, this rod is adjustable, so you can set the length to suit your space. Now, I took the 1/4 inch drill bit and locked it into the drill. I saw a nice trick from Jerry Riggs Everything, where you can put a small post-it note under the hole to prevent the dust from making a mess. I drilled in about 2 inches, about the length of the wall plug, and then I hammered the plugs in. And now we are ready for the hooks. Grab the hooks and screw in the rod locking holding screw. These were tight, so be careful not to cross the threading. The rod came with mounting screws, so I took 2 for the holder. I screwed these in, leaving some room for the hooks. The hooks have a mounting hole where the screws can go in and move up to be locked in place. Now I can finish tightening. I pull on the hook to test the strength, and I can say it is holding well, and I don't need to use the second screw. Great, less drilling. Now I can add the bar and complete the holder. After having some fun with my medals a bit, it was time to hang them up. Now there's a particular way I want to hang my medals, to show them off while also allowing easy hanging and adjusting. Hanging like this comes at a cost since the medals take up more real estate on the bar. I first hold the medal with the face and ribbon facing forward. I pull the ribbon over and back, then down, looping the medal through. And there we go. Awesome. Now we have a beautiful showcase and we can add some personalization. Using the headband from Maritime Run for Fun last year, I can hide the bar and nuts while adding a decorative border. I'm using some Velcro straps to hold it in place, but a rubber band or string can also work. I use some tape to add my favorite bibs to complete the look. I was thinking about adding the small whiteboard, but personally I found it a bit cluttered.
Nope.
And there we have our medal hanger. Now, to get more information about running and fitness events in TNT, I recommend following Race Banton on Instagram. You can also check out barforsports.com and caribilesports.com. Both have running event calendars. I'll put links to everything in the description below. After this, I went to add some RGB LEDs to give it a subtle glow and added voice control. Hey Google, switch on the medal hanger lights.
You got it. Turning the metal hanger lights on.
But I'll show you how I did this in the next video. So be sure to hit that subscribe button and check out the links in the description. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoying the nice little shiny background. That's the metal rack up there with the little light show behind it. I really love it. I really love how it turned out. It's very simple and nice. Sorry if this is really bright. This is the lowest setting on the camera light. But yeah, so again, thank you for watching. I'm still new to this whole YouTube and video editing and stuff, so do let me know any comments and suggestions in the comment section below. If you like this video, make sure to hit that like button and do consider hitting that subscribe button to let me know if you want to see more videos like this. And just showing us out there. So if you have any runners or anybody watching this video and have ever been to a running event, a 5k, 10k, 1 mile, half a marathon, let me know if you have a favorite medal, and let me know what is your favorite, which was your favorite event, and also include what is your favorite personal record. Let me know the time and whether it was a 5k, 10k, half a marathon, but let me know in the comment section below. And that being said, this is just Barran signing off. Just be yourself, just do it yourself, and as all anybody can really ask of you. So peace out.